Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're taking a look at Phillip Norelco shaver 5000X series. Here I have it, how it comes in a packaging, skin protect technology, 20% smoother gliding on skin, minimizing irritation, 360 flexing head, wet or dry, and the battery lasts about 50 minutes runtime. Close shave, extra skin protection. Here's how the box looks like on the side. And here's how the box looks like on the back. Let's take a look and open the box up. Okay, so when you open the box, on the left side there will be information to register your shaver if you want to. The shaver comes just like this. This is the power button, this is the head, and then there's a box on the far right side that comes with the cover, charging cable. The charging cable does not come with a wall adapter, so you need to buy your own wall adapter. This one is the one that just plugs in USB. If you want to plug into directly to a wall, you need to buy the adapter separately. And then there's also a small white box that comes with the head if you want to replace for the trimmer. So this head here, you can take it off and you can replace it and put this one on. And so that's how you do the switch. I've used it once so far and it's been very smooth for myself. There was no pain or any pulling of any of the hairs, and so it was very smooth for myself. I highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.